Hello guys, now I'm going to tell you a story about nature's perfect killing machine. It's a story about Australian crocodiles. The Australian crocodiles is the largest crocodile in the world. It can grow up to 7 meters long, and the biggest one can weigh up about a thousand kilos. It has only two muscles. They usually attack in the water, but sometimes they came out of the river. They can run on the land 17 kilometers per hour. Every year in Australia, crocodiles attack humans. A 20-year-old tourist a 20-year-old tourist dead. She went to the midnight swimming. The girl disappeared, and next morning her body was found near the lake, and it was a 4 meters crocodile lived in this lake. At only last 2 months, two boys were washing their motorbikes in the river, and a crocodile started attack theirs, but they climbed a tree and stayed there about 22 hours. But the crocodile waited below. But you can survive a crocodile attack. For example, at last, a 19-year-old boy, he was saved from a crocodile with his aunt. His aunt saved him when his aunt started hit crocodile on the nose. The crocodile suddenly opened its mouth, and her nephew escaped. That she said about this situation. Bye bye.